It's Big Daddy B coming at you live from the AG. What's up, baby? Hey, it's big game day. Game day's here. And the Ravens are going to take the Steelers out. All this talking these Steeler fans are doing, all this bullshit they're talking about, how they're going to be 4-0, how their team's great, their defense is all this and all that, and the Ravens are overrated, and they're going to put the pressure on Flacco, and Flacco's going to fold, and all this bullshit. Well, today's the day we find out, baby, and let me tell you something. I know my Ravens are ready. I know they're ready for this game, and Flacco is going to do his thing. The defense is going to go up in there. They're going to make up for their mistakes that they had last week. There will not be no running by the Steelers on the Ravens today. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. And Charlie Batch is going to be under this. Charlie Batch is going to be under fire all day, baby. The fire is going to be burning on Charlie. The Ravens are bringing the heat. They're bringing the heat hard. It's going to be flames on Charlie's head. Charlie don't know what's going to hit him today. And, you know, we're not the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, baby. We're not the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Charlie might have had an alright game last week, but it ain't happening this week. It ain't going to happen. I'm telling you now, Steel Legends, this is the demise of the Steelers. Today's game. Matty V seemed like a decent fella, but hey, man, what can I say? The Steelers suck. And if you're voting for them, you suck. Fuck the Steelers. They're going down. And after today, that'll be the last time they have a hold on the division. Because we'll tie them today, and then we're taking it over. And that's it. We're winning the division this year. Bengals, forget it. Steelers, you'll be lucky if you come in behind the Bengals, because I'm going to tell you right now, Big Ben ain't going to be shit when he gets back. He's all messed up. Y'all got rid of his number 1 receiver. Number 10's gone. You did us a favor. 10 was the one that used to hurt us all the time. Then you went and gave him to the Jets. Thank you. Thank you. All right, guys, I'm going to get out of here. Big Daddy B is going to go get ready for the game, start getting stuff ready. Have some brats and stuff, and sit down and enjoy some brews and watch the Ravens kick that ass. Go Ravens! Fuck the Steelers! And that's all I got to say about that. BAM!